Right, boys and girls, we've landed and I've come around this side of the lake. There's only one other angler on. There was another guy here earlier, but he's packed up, said he wasn't doing no good. So yeah, it's a nice little day ticket lake, probably about 3 acres, something like that. And I just put bags out, not giving them any bait or anything like that. Well, I put 2 bags out, 1 zig out. We'll just monitor the lake, see if we can get some liners, see what happens. See if we can see any fish showing. He said they were showing, the guy who was in that corner, he said he'd seen fish show this end of the lake. So, like normal, I'm not going to put my bivvy up. I'm just going to fish on the rods for a bit, see if we can figure out if there's a group of fish somewhere, see what we can see, just keep my eyes peeled. But yeah, I'm pretty confident for a bite. The lad opposite me says he's had one, so it's not that cold today. It's about 6 or 7 degrees, but it's going to go really cold tonight. It's going to stay cold tomorrow morning as well, so I think my best chance is this afternoon, tea time. That's probably going to be the best chance of a bite. Well, we're just moving into the first bit of darkness. I've had a bit of a lead about. Nothing's happened today. I ain't had a fish or nothing today. A few liners and that, but not had a proper pickup. Found 2 clay spots, one down to my left hand side and one out in open water. So yeah, just put a couple of spods on each spot and a little pop up. And the third rod, I'm just gonna see if I can see anything rolling through the early part of the evening and just maybe just bang a bag on it or something like that. So yeah, nothing yet, but we're still having a go for them, yeah. Right, I've just put the video camera away. I've been filming the rods, trying to get a run on the camera all day, and typically I get one as soon as I put the camera in the bivvy. So yeah, just been getting liners today, not actually had a pickup, and just had this little fish. Probably a scraper double, if that, maybe 11 or 12 pounds, something like that. Took a 12mm Milky Malt pop-up, just a little bag of crushed S7 pellet, a couple of maggots and a bit of S7 stick mix. So we're off the mark and we're just going into the evening now. Excellent stuff. Okay, well, it's an hour into dark and I got 2 on at once. I landed both the fish, but they're both about the same size, to be honest, about average for this lake, I think. Possibly 10, 11 pound, probably similar size to the fish that we caught earlier, but left hand rod went, right hand rod went at the same time, so obviously, oddly enough, they're the spots that I did the spot into as well, so fish have moved into this area, I think, and started to pick me up. So I reckon I'm going to get a couple tonight by the looks of things, because they're showing on my right hand rod quite a lot now. I can see them just in the little bit of moonlight that we've got. So it's getting on for midnight and I've just had a screamer on the middle rod. This is the one on the bag, not on the baited area, but the baited area rods, they've been doing me steady fish. I think this is number 7. There you go. Nice low double common. Took a 12mm Milky Malt pop-up. Well, it's deja vu. We have another frozen lake. So it's going to take a while for this lot to clear, so I think the only thing I can do for the time being is go into that side of the lake. And as you can see, there's a bit of fishable water over there, although it's not where I'd want to be because most of my fish were coming out of the water in front of me, but I can't do a lot about that for the time being. hands are freezing. It looks sunny, but trust me, everything on here is icy. Mat nets everything, so yeah, I can't break the ice up. It's too thick, so I'm going to have to move down to this side of the lake. I don't particularly want to. I still think the fish are there. In fact, I know the fish are there because I was still getting liners, but I don't think I'd get the fish through. So yeah, we'll move up here, and well, we'll see. If the sun breaks it up, a bit of wind comes in, we might be able to move back into that swim for a couple of hours before I go, but we'll see if we can get a bite up here. Right, we're here. I'm not as fit as I used to be. Yeah, I moved my gear around here. I've got enough water to go at, but the good thing is the right hand rod from last night I can actually hit from this swim. I think I had 8 fish last night. At least 4 or 5 of them came off this spot, so I'm going to spot a bit of bait onto it because that rod had a bit of bait on it last night. Right, I wasn't happy up that end of the lake. I knew the fish were up there, but because of the ice I couldn't fish anywhere else, and yeah, a bit of wind's come in and it shifted the ice down, and yeah, I can get back down where I want to be. So I'm getting liners already, to be fair, and I've only just put 3 bags out, so hopefully I might be able to just nick another one before I go home.